If you want to know the killer secret strategy big companies use to make amazing ads and take money out of your pocket, stay till the end. Or if you are someone who have your own business or have ever thought of having your own business, you need to know these secrets, because in the coming future, you're gonna run some ads, create some ads for your business to take it to the next level. I personally manage more than 200 ads every single day for many different companies. So let's get into this video and find out the 5 major steps these companies use to create an amazing ads and take money out of their clients. Step 1, know the audience. You need to know exactly what person you are talking to. What is the age range? What is the gender? Are they a parent? Are they married? Or how much money they have? Which places they live in? Are they from India? Are they from US? Are they from Canada? Where they live, because the cultural difference is there based on the places. There is the whole mindset difference when people are at a different age range. There is a whole difference of person when they have a different income range. So once we know those things, once we know the avatar of the person we are creating the ad for, we can talk directly to that person, and that will be much more helpful for us, because that person will be able to resonate with the ad which you are going to create for that specific person. Step 2, what is the biggest problem you are solving for your avatar? Let's say you have a karate training center. So you are helping other people who are so much afraid to get into the fight, who do not go out because they are afraid that they will get into a fight, right? Or you are helping kids to use their energy into some productive activity, or you are helping kids who want to get into karate and make it their profession. All of these problems you are solving. So whatever is your product or service, you need to understand exactly what are the big problems you are solving for the people, for the avatar you are going to create the ads for. Step 3, talk directly with your avatar. So let's say you are a dating coach and you are helping men from 20 to 35 in Los Angeles. So in your ad, you can mention that. You can say, attention men in Los Angeles from 20 to 35. Are you not getting any dates? Something like that. So the people you are targeting will be able to resonate more with your ad, and they will be more willing to listen to you instead of a generic message like men in United States, right? It sounds super generic. But if you say men from 20 to 35 in Los Angeles, these people will listen to you. Number 5, creating those ads. Now, once you go and create those ads, you need to understand where you want to run those ads. Are they going to run on newspaper? Are you going to run it on TV, or are you going to run it on Facebook or YouTube? Because all the platforms are little different. So you need to understand exactly where you want to run those ads, and then you're going to create those ads based on that platform, because the intent of the user in those platforms are little different. Facebook, people are just scrolling, right? In Google or YouTube, people go and search for the stuff. It means people are looking to get the solution. So now the ratios are also different. You need to understand what is the placement you are going to run your ad on. We are living in a world where attention is super low, and attention is one of the major important asset any business have, right? So people are just scrolling on their social media. Those people are watching videos. Now they are watching hundreds of other pieces of content. You have to grab their attention, because if you are unable to grab their attention, no matter how good is your product and service, how good is your website, how good is your ad, they are not going to watch it, because you haven't been able to grab their attention. If you are able to grab their attention, then only you will be able to show them all those things. And that is why we put a lot of efforts to test the hooks and find the best hooks which works well. And once you find those hooks which grabs people's attention, now you can use it with multiple different ads to grab their attention and talk and show your ads to those people. Step 5, have a clear CTA. We all want some personal trainer who shows exactly what to eat, what to do to lose weight, right? We want that personal trainer who hold our hands in the gym and help us do all the things. But we still have the information by ourselves. We know exactly if we just, eat less and move more, we're gonna get into better shape into our life, right? But still we want exact steps what to do. We are going to use the same psychology in our ad. We are going to tell them exactly what to do next so they know exactly which action to take to go to the next step. I know these people are using, these platforms from years, and they know exactly when they click on the link, when they are going to click on that button, they are going to get on the website. But still, we want to tell them clearly and simply that what they need to do next so that it hits their mind and they take more action. Hope you got some value out of this video. Please leave a comment if you have got some value, or if you haven't got any value. I would really appreciate if you just leave good or bad comment so I can just improve my videos in the coming future. And if you want to jump on call with me for free to discuss your marketing plan, I have nothing to sell you. You can do that by clicking the link below. And thank you so much and peace.